So when I was out in Rohnert Park, California, staying with famous YouTuber, Tops 85 401, along with Wait 333 and Mike Line TV, we went to one of Nate's local card shops, baseball cards and memorabilia, and they had packs of Unopened Exhaust for 50 cents. So I picked up quite a few. I got some of them left here. I figured I'm gonna bust them all here. I'm gonna do the non-sport here first. Some Pro Set Superstars music cards. Came out in 1991. So let's see what we got here. Started out the packs were marked $1 a pack, and was kind of halfway going through them, and then one of the employees was like, "Oh, I'll go 50 cents on them," so that's what piqued my interest. Hey, Legends Led Zeppelin. So some nice rock and roll cards here. Alana Miles. What's her hit? Blue Velvet? I could be totally wrong there, but Voivod. Seems like a lot of these are like European bands or something. Canadian, maybe. Oh, The Pretenders is Chrissy Hyde. Patti LaBelle, very nice. Nelson, Matthew and Gunnar Nelson, Ricky Nelson's kids. Steelheart, never heard of him. There we go. Paula Abdul. Bonham, Jason Bonham, John Bonham's son, original drummer of Led Zeppelin. That's kind of cool. Jimi Hendrix Experience, old poster from Winterland, probably. I imagine that's from Winterland in San Francisco. Yes, it is. And with the Buddy Miles Express, very nice. It's a cool old rock posters. 10% off your next purchase. And a little game cards. So first pack of rock and roll cards is done. Straight into the exhaust box for those. Let's see what else we have here. And another Led Zeppelin, so doubles on that. Michael Penn. Do not know who that is. Might be famous over in Europe or something. Maybe Cream of Cards TV could let me know about some of these bands, actually. Voivod. Another one of those. Madonna with the monocle. Violence. Hey, here's the first hit. We got a Tone Loc. Very nice. From his album Loked After Dark. Very nice. And a Fleetwood Mac. Christy McVie, McFleetwood, Stevie Nicks, Lindsey Buckingham. Another Paula Abdul. The Sisters of Mercy. Never heard of them. And another one of those Hendrix posters from 1968 Winterland. So there we go, 2 packs of Pro Set Superstars and music cards. Crack into the basketball. 1991 draft picks. And I believe C. William G. had busted some of these, and I think this is like a bunch of Larry Johnson cards. Like when Larry Johnson was the #1 pick out of UNLV. I believe this is what he had. Take a look here. Oh, yeah, well, there we go. Larry Johnson flashback. Skyline High School in Dallas, Texas. It's very nice, really glossy cards. These are actually kind of cool. Up close and personal, Larry Johnson. Marty Conlon. Providence. Mike Goodson. Pitt. Drexel DeVue. Sean Muto. Keith Owens. Joao Viana. from Brazil. Chancellor Nichols. And Charles Thomas. So, I don't believe I've heard of anybody aside from Larry Johnson in those packs. I might actually hang on to those Larry Johnson cards. Put them in the basketball box. All right, round 2. Corey Crowder, Sidney Greider, Derek Strong, Larry Stewart. So these guys, yeah, a lot of these guys I just never heard of, even though I was following college basketball around this time. Steve Bardo, Mark Brown, and Michael Cutright. So, interesting. Continue on here. I do have baseball packs coming up, so 2 more basketball. NBA Basketball 92-93 Upper Deck High Series, 15 cards per pack, holographically enhanced cards. Collect the Rookie Standouts 20 card insert set. Find the Bird 10 card Basketball Heroes insert set. Very nice. So some early insert sets possible. Is that Joe Dumars? Duel there. Oh, look at that. The Mailman. Checklist card, very nice. Jeff Grayer. Gerald Glass for the Timberwolves. David Benoit. Alec Kessler. Hey, we got a Sean Kemp, very nice. Doing a powerful dunk there. That's a nice one. Rick Fox from North Carolina. Tim Perry. Don McLean. Charles Smith. Blair Rasmussen. There's a David Robinson. Nice for the West All-Stars. And a Scottie Pippen for the East All-Stars. Very nice. Tracy Murray, Top Prospects. And that Joe Dumars, Isaiah Thomas, Duel. Very nice. There's actually a couple in there that probably aren't going to go directly into the exhaust box. But, one more pack of that. There's a Joe Dumars checklist card. Chris Corciani. Hey, we got an AC Green. Very nice. Vern Fleming. Brad Daugherty. Johnny Dawkins. Fred Roberts. Kennard Winchester. Jeff Grayer. Mookie Blaylock, very nice. Rolando Blackman. In your face. Clarence Witherspoon. Very nice. Yeah, we got a John Sally for the Heat. And a Karl Malone. And a Charles Barkley. Very nice. So some good stuff in there. Actually, that's kind of a nice product there. Alright, 3 packs of baseball. First one is this limited edition. 8-man out. The Black Sox and the 1919 World Series movie baseball cards. So I guess these will be showing the movie stars. From the movie 8-man out. We shall see. Oh, I guess these are the original players, looks like. I guess that's a little better. Red Faber. Maury Rath. Well, there's the original players, and then here's one of the actors, right? D.B. Sweeney as Shoeless Joe Jackson. Lefty crosses up. Catcher Ray Shocks signals. Say it ain't so, Joe. Ray gets things going. Ray Shock. He is in the Hall of Fame. Ray Shock is. He was cleared of all wrongdoing. I'm forever blowing ball games. Who's Joe Jackson? The Verdict. And Nemo Leibold. One of the original player cards. So there we go. If you're a big-time collector of the 1919 Black Sox, you'd be into that. Alright, now for the good stuff. '89 Topps Yearbook stickers. These have like the card on the back. Or the front, I don't know, however you want to look at it, I guess. So there it is. I do not recognize either of those players. Hey, in the back we got a Benito Santiago. Very nice. Superstar. Oh man, I don't know. Is that Bob Nepper? And Ryan Sandberg. Very nice. Eddie motherfucking Murray. With the Dennis Eckersley on the back. That's a sweet combo there. Very nice. And is that Juan Samuel? I don't know who this guy in the Mariners is. And Paul Molitor. Very nice. Cool. Kurt Gibson. And Julio Franco. Very nice. Topps '89 stickers. The card backs. Alright, here we go. Here's the grand finale. Donruss pop-up. 1 pop-up, 3 puzzle pieces, and 5 all-star cards. I imagine the 3 puzzle pieces are on 1 card, right? So, we'll see. Interesting. There's a nice all-star right on the back there. Nice. So, there's the 3 puzzle pieces. Terry Steinbeck. Pop-up. He's from New Ulm, Minnesota. And he was in the, was it '89 when the All-Star game was in Oakland and the Oakland fans all stuffed the ballot boxes and he was an All-Star, even though a lot of people thought he shouldn't be there, but then he hit a home run, so I believe that was the '89 All-Star game. I could be wrong, but Terry Steinbeck is how it's pronounced, so that's cool. Nice pop-up. Now for the All-Star cards. Hey, Andres Galarraga, very nice. So these are from 1988. I was gonna say they kind of look like the the '89 style, but I suppose it was kind of alluding to the '89 Donruss style here in 1988. And a Dennis Eckersley. Bobby Bonilla. Oh, very nice. Tom Kelly. Shout out to Minnesota Nice on that one. And followed up by an Ozzie Smith in the motherfucking turtleneck. A couple of nice ones there for sure. So there we go. Cracking open some packs. Thanks for watching.